For deep cleaning, the two products that I recommend are OxiClean or Arm & Hammer Laundry Booster, because they are both effective cleaners that can be safely used for brushing and should not cause damage to surfaces, rubber seals, or gaskets. When I deep cleaned the tub ring, agitator, and spin basket, I simply took them outside, mixed water and the product in the bucket, and used that to scrub them clean with the brush. And then I rinsed them off with the hose. If you found this video informative or helpful, please show support for future demonstrations by leaving a like and subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching.